each and every one of us hang ne individually want to talk to the union, not to the individual person. This is a message for you.
Ki nongtrei ka kwat ka khia jong ki EMRI ki lapelong ye jing sange tri kam jong ki nadu hinin kisngi ki laong ba ka sarkar jala kla sang ban phia e ki nongtrei EMRI ye kini la ye tho de ki nong yalam jong ka Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union habakren na kinong thok kot khobor kini kinong yalam ki laong ru ba ka sarkar kala penting ko tempan ye ki da ka baong bakin haban kit clear la da jai e ye kinong pang kani ka jing ki jong ki kalong ban dawa na ka sarkar ba ka de ban pen kiu no e ka tulop ka jong ki na ka daw jong ka jing kiu dor palat jong ki mar ki mata
Ki badan on duty kita orang shame ya ka kerteng ba EMT and pilot ka kerteng manu ba deny ka case but ki ang ba thoi ka kerteng jung ki and clean ki ba tang EMT ba strike ni tang pilot ba strike clean ki kemudian ban you ka divide and rule jam kawan hang ta they are trying this type of policy hang ni. So now we want to tell you that ngim da katu ka policy jong fi ka fail hakmat jong ngim tang ngim sap sho ye pi le kumno ru kani ka wameng nam ta jong pi ngan pat so ye fi kani ka jingkran jong ka jingsan message jong ki personally na maki call ha personal number jong ki bakim shimi ka phone ki send ka message te habangi ya fight ya ka hok la de ki thatan da kum ni yangi te kata anda pai pi hang ne baki ka kom send message jong ki thought, dear team, you have refused to take a case as you said. You are on strike. Please note that if anything happened to the patient, you will be responsible for the same as per the Epidemic Act, which is promulgated by the government. Ki ay kata ka message personally ya ki iyo. Hab tinga nga ong iki habang union kum ka union balay fi threaten individually yaki. Pasan yaki ka message balay fisan individual habang iya kum ka union. Iyong kum no? I am just doing my. Please note that I'm doing my job and I'm passing the information as instructed by the government authorities. So by doing like that, long kimut ban le kum no yung kimut ban threaten man ngim khi te ngim tieng te namal bale ni khi e ka hok jang ladi. Iklam le ka no ngim de ki criminals. We are not criminals. Just we want to let you know that we are not criminals. This is the message to the management and to the government authorities also, whoever have asked them to give this message to them individually. So this is a message to you also, that we want to tell you that we are not scared of you anymore, because you people, you have been lying to us, and you have been lying to us since that time till now. So now we will stand together as one, and we will not listen to all these stupid things that you are sending us. So this is a message to you people, especially to the management and whoever give you the authority, as per you said that you have been instructed by the government authorities. So this is a message for you.